Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 4. Look dear students, our today's topic is form fill up, and this form fill up we will do from model question 1, 2, 3, and from these model questions we will do question number 13. In question number 13 you will get this topic form fill up, okay? And look dear students, this is our lecture number 15 and SW number 13, okay? Now we are going to start our today's topic. Look dear students, here in model question 1, in question number 13 you will get the first form fill up, which topic is, look here. Suppose Hasan lives with his parents. Recently his father has been transferred from Dhaka to Bogra. His father's name is M.T. Rahim and mother's name is Sabrina Akhtar. Now he wants to get admitted to class 4 in a primary school on transfer. His date of birth is 29th June 2008. Okay, by using the above information you have to fill up the following admission form. So dear students, please follow here. By using the above information you have to fill up the following admission form, okay? So here you have to write the information of Hasan, okay? Now we will do this. So here you will get the question. Look here, the school name is Rose Garden Primary School. Dear students, here you can write your school name. You can write here National Ideal English Version School, and then you have to write the topic name, that means admission form. Of course you have to write this. At first you have to draw this box by using pencil, okay? You have to draw this box, then you have to write this properly in your copy, okay? So I am going to show the answer. You will get the question like this way. Look, follow this. At first you will get the question. At first you will get the topic, then you will get a box, and there you will get some information, okay? And look dear students, how can you write this? Please follow the board. Dear students, look here about the answer. You have to write it like this way. At first you have to draw a box by using pencil, and then you have to write your school name here. You will not write here Rose Garden Primary School. You have to write here National Ideal English Version School, your own school name. Then you have to write the topic name, admission form. Then you have to write the topic. Look here, information you have to write. Look here, name. Look dear students, this form is about Hasan. You have to fill this form by the information of Hasan. So at first you have to write his name. Look here, name Hasan, and what was his father's name? We have read this from the topic. From the question we have read this. Look here, his father's name was M.D. Rahim. So in this information you have to write his father's name. Father's name what? M.D. Rahim. Then number C, mother's name. Mother's name, from the information we have learned his mother's name was what? Sabrina Akhtar. Then his date of birth was what? Look here, 29.6.2008. Like this way you have to write the date of birth. Then look number E, seeking admission to class. Here of course you have to write class 4. Look dear students, one thing about this form I am going to say, you have to maintain the serial of the colon, of course, okay? You have to write this topic name, that means this information in one side, in left side properly, and then you have to maintain this colon. That means one by one this colon you have to write, and you have to maintain the serial of the colon. Don't break the serial of the colon. Okay, you cannot break the serial of this colon. You have to maintain the rule of this colon. You have to write it properly. Okay. So then look dear students, in this box, in the right side of this box, you have to draw a box about photo. Okay, you have to write here photo. Then at last you will write signature. Here this signature you have to write about Hasan, so here you have to write Hasan. Okay dear students, so at last we have to write signature. So what have I said? I have said that you have to maintain the rule of the colon. You have to maintain the serial of the colon properly. Don't break the serial of the colon. Okay. Then look, number 2, I am going to say number 2 is you will get it from model question 2, and in model question 2's 13 number question you will get this form fill up. Okay, you will get this question. Look, suppose Ratul reads in class 4 in a primary school. He lives with his parents MD Jahir and Lily Begum. His date of birth is 1/1/2007. He wants to be a member of English language club in his school. Now you have to fill up the following from using the given information. Okay, and then you will get the information about Ratul. Okay, like this way you will get the question. Then look dear students, how can you write the answer? Look here at first. You have to draw a box by using pencil. Then here look, here we can find the school name is what? Bright Star Primary School. You will not write this school name. Here you have to write your own school name. That means you have to write here National ID and English Version School. Then you have to write the topic. What was the topic? English Language Club membership form. Okay. Then you have to write the information. Look, here the information is about Ratul. So here we have to write the name is what? Ratul. We have to write here the name is what? Ratul. Then father's name MD Jahir. Then number C, mother's name what? Lily Begum. You will get this information from the question. Then number D, class. Class is what? 4. Then what is his date of birth? We have learned from the question that his date of birth was what? 1/1/2007. And like our before form, when we fill this form, our first form fill up, like this way you have to fill the second form fill up too. That means in the right side of the form you have to write here photo. You have to draw the box of a photo. Then you have to, at last you have to write signature, and there you have to write Ratul's name, because this information is about Ratul. Okay dear students, I hope you have understood number 2 form fill up 2. Okay, now I am going to discuss about number 3. 3 now form fill up. Look here dear students, this form you will get from the model question 3. From model question 3's 13 number you will get this question. Look, what is the topic? Suppose you are Nabil Ahmed, your date of birth is 2nd March 2008, you read in class 4 and your roll number is 5. You want to take part in running and high jumping competition of every school. Now you have to fill up the following form using the given information. Okay, so what I've said here, now you have to fill up the following form using the given information. Okay, so like dear students, look here. So you have to draw at first the box. Then you have to write the school's name. That means your own school name. You have to write here National Indian English Version School. Then you have to write the topic name. Of course, you have to maintain these rules. Otherwise, you can't get any marks. Okay, you have to write the topic name. You have to write your school name. You have to write this information properly, and of course, you have to maintain the serial of the colon. You have to write it serially. This colon. You can't break the serial of the colon. Okay, you have to maintain this serial of the colon. If look dear students here, if you can't finish the sentence in one line, you can write under this, under the previous part. Okay, you can write the rest of this sentence, you can write under the previous part. Look, like here you can write this, but you have to maintain the serial of the colon, of course. Okay, now I am going to discuss about this. Look here, number A, name. About from the information we have learned, what was his name? Name was Nabil Ahmed. Then number B, class. Class is what? 4. Then number C, roll. Roll is what? 5. Then number D, date of birth. What is date of birth? 2, and the month is what? 3/2008. Okay. Look, then number E, name of the event you want to take part. Look dear students, this sentence I can't finish in one line. For this reason, what I have done here, at first I have given here a hyphen, then I have written the rest of the sentence I have written here. So you have to write like this way if you can't finish the sentence in one line. Okay, but you have to maintain the serial of the colon. Okay, then I have put the colon. Then look, name of the event you want to take part. And the event name was what? Running and high jumping. And look dear students, the another thing is what? You have to write the right side of the form. You have to write here photo. Okay, you have to draw a box and there you have to write photo. Then at last you have to write signature. And this information is about Nabil Ahmed, so you have to write here Nabil's sign. You have to give here Nabil's sign. Okay dear students, so I hope you have understood our today's topic. Please follow your book. You will get this model question 1, 2, 3's questions number 13 we have already finished to read now. Look dear students, about these questions answer you will get from the page number 103 in your book. Okay, from your book you will get these questions answer from 103 page. Okay, so you will get this answer from this page too. Okay, and now look dear students, here what is your SW? Your SW is your SW is form fill up number 2. Number 2 you have to do as your SW. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.